and welcome back. In our last session, we covered how to bring data to life in IOTA using an easy drag-and-drop method. Additionally, we explored how data structured as an asset framework can be effectively leveraged with IOTA's training component feature. This session delves into IOTA's component settings. We'll explore the customization options available and see how fine-tuning these settings can enhance our dashboard, making it both more informative and user-friendly. To customize a component's settings, first select the component. Let's start with the gauge and go to the Settings section. Each component in IOTA comes with a set of universal settings, as well as options unique to that specific component. For more detailed information, please refer to the component documentation or explore our deep dive videos. In our upcoming video, we'll dive into configuring interactions, like between the table and the gauge, and we'll introduce multi-states. Such configurations can be found in this Actions section. Let's add a title to the gauge for immediate clarity on what it's displaying. You can adjust the legend's position and padding in the Format section. We'll remove the value from the legend by simply dragging it off the panel in the legend layout. Here, you can add labels or units of measurement as needed. We have already set the indicator type and scale limits in a previous video, which you can customize further in this specific section. For general visual changes like borders or color alterations, check out the Visual Properties section. Just a quick note on the Global Time Control section. Here, you can decide to not synchronize a component with the dashboard's main global time control, which is located on the top bar. The line chart has an extra capability. You can set it to function as the dashboard's global time control using the cursor. While we won't be customizing the line chart component in this dashboard, it's worth noting its extensive customization features located in the Scales and Cursors section. Additionally, the Format section offers crucial settings, like adding controls to the legend, aiding in detailed trend analysis and comparison. Moving on to the bar chart, select the component and add temperature as a title. For scale limits and set point, go to the Scales and Cursors section. Set custom limits, say from 0 to 200. And a custom set point, like 140. For a neater appearance, enable Show Scale and position it inside. In Visual Properties, you might consider making the set point thicker or changing the scale label color for better visibility. Our next step is improving the value component. Ideally, it should display not just the value, but also what it represents. We have already seen that you can adjust the positioning of legend items in the Format section. So we will first add the label. Then, let's place the value beneath it and introduce some vertical padding. To enhance visibility, make the value font larger in the legend part of the font section. Pay attention to the synchronization icon. Its color indicates that changes will apply to all legend elements. To customize specific legend items, like the value, click the icon, and a drop-down will appear for selective font setting adjustments. Finally, let's briefly touch on the tables in IOTA. As you have seen in the previous videos, they come in various types, allowing you to transpose them or convert them into historical tables to review past data points. Additionally to the ability to include or exclude columns, you can add statistics and apply filters. In summary, IOTA's customization options offer a great deal of flexibility for tailoring your dashboard. Explore these features and refer to our resources for more details. Having refined our dashboard's look, The final step is to set up actions. In our next videos, we'll see how to configure multi-states and pass data from the table component to others. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.